excited to have them here. What a wonderful, wonderful facility down in Emeryville. It's very exciting. This starts another phase of welcoming the healthcare industry to Emeryville. We're delighted to have them here. Thank you everyone from Stanford Special Health Center for located here in Emeryville. We look forward to a great night. Thanks everyone.
this company?
No pictores, por favor.
Okay.
We are a compact little city that's 1.2 square miles. True story, I was walking here from my house and lo and behold, comes tumbling out of the slide at the park that's a block away is a kid who knocks me over. I thought I was going to need the cast room back in the corner, but I'm glad I did. But thank you for realizing that Emeryville is an accessible location where there are lots of kids, where it's very easy to bring patients here, and their families included. And also for already what I heard when I first arrived, which is music to my ears, is how Stanford wants to become part of the community. They've already joined the chamber, and connections been made with our school district and our wellness center director. So on behalf of the city of Emeryville, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're delighted to have you here. We're delighted to have a new member of the community, and may you live long and prosper.
Thank you, Ruth, very much for those great comments. And yes, by the way, if you haven't been to For Real, I had a tour of For Real Foods, which is literally around the corner here. They make milkshakes, and we're working on their membership, and if they say yes, we'll try to have a nice event like that over there too, just like we're having this evening. There's so many nice people. We could stay here for quite some time and acknowledge many individuals. I did forget to mention somebody who does need mention, Mr. Peter Berger, the site manager here. Peter is probably around showing people around, but he's the on-site manager here today. I want to thank him as well. It's my great pleasure now to introduce to you, to say a few words of welcome, the CEO of the Lucille Packard Children's Hospital, Stanford. Please welcome our host for tonight, Mr. Chris Dawes.
Thank you very much, Bob. I really appreciate the opportunity to be here this evening. I'm the CEO of Lucille Packard Children's Hospital, which is also Stanford Children's Health, which is a name that we're beginning to use more frequently now because we've gone beyond the walls of the Stanford campus. So I just can't tell you how much we are excited about being here. We spent a long time looking at a lot of communities to figure out where we can create a very unique environment for children. And we were just delighted as we came through Emeryville and looked at lots of buildings and ended up with this building. We're just very excited. What we like about Emeryville is it's such a wonderful small community. It's very accessible by those, whether obviously the freeway, but also those in Berkeley and Oakland and Piedmont and the whole community around here. And also, I think most importantly to us, is that we want to become part of this community. We're not just here, you know, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. In fact, our hours are a little bit longer than that. But we're actually here to provide services, but we want to be part of this community. We are a children's and obstetric organization. That's all we focus on is children and pregnant women. And we are here to be a part of this community. That means we want to provide services to this community, not only those that are provided here, but everything from safety, car safety, and so forth. So we want to be integrated into your schools, integrated into your community. So we have a staff of people led by Sherry Sager, who focuses on those kinds of services, and we will be very much a part of this. So again, thank you very much for this very, very warm welcome. And I'm now going to turn it over to my colleague, Dr. Ken Cox, who's our Chief Medical Officer, who can give you just a quick overview of some of the services that are here and why we think this is a very special place.
Thank you, Chris. I really appreciated being here and I'm impressed with the facility. I think this is the kind of facility that should be our trademark in terms of the way we provide services to our community and to the children and the families. I think the thing that we have done through the Children's Hospital is felt that we need to go out and be in the community and provide services to the community because we have great physicians, and then here we're beginning with some outstanding programs in terms of orthopedics, cardiology, GI, neurology, and we have several others that we're thinking of bringing into the community. And these are top-notch doctors, and I think you're going to get innovation in the care of your children. And an example is the EOS system. Here we have an X-ray system that gives you three-dimensional views, and it's low radiation. And so those are the kind of innovative things that we'll bring to this community, and I think we'll deliver the kind of care that families will appreciate. I think the new healthcare system isn't that you have to drive 6 hours to see your doctor. The new healthcare system is we're there in the community for you. And so this is an example of what we plan to do as a children's hospital, is be here and provide the services for you here. And then we need feedback as to what you want and what we can do better. So thank you very much for coming tonight.
Thank you, Dr. Cox, very much. And as I look around the room, and we are near finishing, I promise, I always forget to thank people who need thanks. We do want to acknowledge and thank the caterer tonight, this wonderful food, Terry Paulding with Paulding and Company. The caterer literally across the street here, a long-time chamber member. And Terry's probably back working in the kitchen for Dr. Tracy here tonight also. They're a long-time Chamber of Commerce member. They're literally right across 62nd Street right here. I have to tell you that in almost 13 years as CEO of the Chamber of Commerce, I get to do a lot of things. Sometimes I have to do a lot of things. But I tell you with utmost sincerity, and please believe me, the favorite thing I get to do is welcoming a new business to our community. And I think, and I've thought over the years, as Ruth mentioned, we have this little bitty town here, 1.2 square miles. This facility could have located anywhere in the state of California, and they landed in Emeryville, California. I love that story, and I always ask why here, and you've heard some of the reasons why. So thank you so much. And we do have to finish off this part of the evening, and then we'll let you go back and continue to enjoy the rest of the evening. We have the world-famous Chamber of Commerce giant scissors and a ribbon, and we're going to have a little ceremonial ribbon-cutting ceremony, which we can have a number of photographs. We have a photographer here, Doug, and we'll line up here. I guess and Amy is going to help me when she's back at the front desk. We're going to have different folks do the ceremonial ribbon-cutting to officially welcome you here on behalf of the Chamber of Commerce. So bear with us just very shortly while we get that arranged. Don't go away. Come please. That's an Albert, if you'd like to be in the photo. That's an Albert. And we can take more than one photo. We can have lots of different combinations. We can have the sound. Let's get Chris, let's say, and let's say, Chris, you tell me who else you want. Albert, please come in. Kurt, why don't you come too?
Hollis, what do you do? Really? Well, the world doesn't have enough really good